We got our new Bimini top and Dodger in November. Now it's February and the birds have desecrated my canvas. In today's video, we're going to show you the steps that Sunbrella recommends for cleaning your canvas safely and preserving its longevity so that you can do it properly. Welcome to Secondhand Sailors. I'm Renee. Stick around and watch me get this crappy job done. All sailboats have canvas, from the mainsails and the jib covers to the seats and loads of in-between things. The gold standard of canvas is Sunbrella because it is water resistant, UV protected, durable, and long-lasting. When your canvas will invariably get dirty, it is important to clean it to maintain all of these highly favored aspects. Sunbrella recommends that you always rinse the canvas as quickly as possible once it has been soiled. If that doesn't work, there are steps you can take to restore it back to its original good health. Let me walk you through those steps now. For this project, you're going to need some Dawn dishwashing liquid, a bucket with some water, and a soft bristle brush. We're going to start gathering those materials now. There's my bucket with my water hose and my short-handled, soft-bristled brush. Sunbrella recommends a 1/4 cup of Dawn dishwashing liquid to a gallon of water. So I'm going to prepare that solution now. First step is going to be to get everything wet. Sunbrella recommends that you try to clean the debris off first with just water. As you can see, plain water is not going to do the trick for us, but we've got our soap and water mixed up, ready to go, along with our soft bristled brush. Let's move on to the second phase. These covers can come off so that we can clean them better. This is really not fun. This is not what I started sailing for.
But you're doing a great job.
Yes, I am. Once you finish getting your canvas as clean as you want it and you've rinsed it thoroughly and gotten all the soap off your glass and your canvas, then it's time for air drying. And as far as I'm concerned, the best way to air dry that canvas is to get out and sail. I don't care if it's February, it's warm enough in South Mississippi. Let's go. All the fun is that way. They're going the wrong direction. It's pretty choppy. If you need me to take over, you let me know. I'll be in charge.
You're all right.
The look on your face.
not going as well as we had hoped, but it's going. We're going to be out there anyway. Good?
Yeah, tighten up a little bit.
Okay.
That's good. That's good.
Yeah, I never even tightened it.
Back on autopilot. And I'm almost ready to kill the engine.
And now, what did you say about me?
I said you're a little rusty. You'll be all right. Hold on. Hold on. Whatever it takes, huh? Now, what'd you just say?
This is the best sale we've had all year.
The first sale we've had all year.
Still the best one so far.
It's going good.
It is awesome.
I mean, we're hauling it.
Love this sale.
We're doing 5 and 6 knots. You know, it looks like we're bouncing around 12 knots right now, so to me it's perfect.
Yep.
Perfect.
Awesome. Turner says we're fixing to hit an obstruction. I think he's mistaken. We're doing good.
Nah, it's deep. We're flying.
It's a fun trip. It is a fun trip. I don't miss cold weather at all.
It's like NASCAR on the water.
Absolutely. For us it is. I know some of y'all are racers. This ain't nothing to y'all, but for us, this is awesome.
That wind is really blowing. That canvas is going to be dry in no time. That's no reason to cut a sail short. We'll just keep sailing and enjoying ourselves while the wind does the work for us. That Dodger's looking good from here.
Sure looked epic.
Oh yeah.
I love this stuff, huh?
Nothing like a Monday afternoon sail.
Yep. Could be working, huh?
Oh man, I don't think I could anymore.
Now let's check that canvas. Did we get it dry? Oh wow, look how good that looks.
If you guys like the video, leave us a comment down below and a thumbs up. Till next time, tell your mom and Turner said hey.
You did a good job. I'm impressed.